chase, I attract. What's meant for me will simply find me.
Be confident, trust yourself, and never let anybody put you down.
Look at yourself in the mirror and embrace who you are, because people love you for whatever you're going to be.
Confidence is your best accessory.
90% of life is confidence. The thing about confidence is no one knows if it's real or not.
Just being the best version of yourself. I don't think you need to try to be anybody else.
You can't let other people's opinions sway your perception of yourself, because you're okay with yourself. You like the way you are.
Remember that you're the prize, always. Say that one more time. Just remember that you are the prize.
Confidence is the best. I think you can literally rock a trash bag if you have confidence.
You are bold, you are brilliant, and you are beautiful. There is no other woman like you, because you are your own kind of woman.
Oh honey, look in that mirror and say, you know what, I am that girl. I am literally that girl. I'm the main character. I've done everything that I was supposed to do.